All right, outside tonight, beautiful weather in place. Some rain chances are showing up on the 14-day forecast. First, a shot of the quarry on this Tuesday night. 2 down and 3 to go until the weekend. Our stacks are lit blue and green for Donate Life awareness. April is National Donate Life Month. This is time to raise awareness to the importance of organ, eye, even tissue donation. 70 degrees, skies are clear, the winds are south and southeast, but that dew point hasn't responded yet. It's still in the mid-30s, so that's still nice dry air. Today's highs, from left to right, you see the heat. 86s on the Rio Grande, pair of 8s at Carrizo Springs. Then we get into the lower 80s to around 80. San Antonio 79, 81 at Seguin, New Braunfels 79, and that's exactly where we should be this time of year. 98, the record stays in place from 1989, but a chilly morning at 44, where we should be at 57. Won't be as cold this morning, but look at 44 for us as compared to 39 New Braunfels. How about 39 Pleasanton, 40 at Hondo, 35 at Kerrville. So if you figure Kerrville's hitting 35, Ingram, Mountain Home, there might be a low-lying spot somewhere in Kerr County that got down to a light freeze this morning. All right, winds are going to be picking up on Wednesday afternoon. I think it'll be about 20 to 25, especially east. So a little gusty at times tomorrow, and that should start seeing the dew points respond. In fact, I think we're going to see dew points climb into 50s to even lower 60s as we get into Thursday, Friday. And then a frontal boundary is going to drop the dew points back down to the comfortable lower 50s, but that's pretty short-lived. Look at how we get right back up into the 60s heading into next week, and a chance of rain. So we won't see a huge dry air mass behind a relatively weak front coming in on Friday. All right, the upper levels. With no support on that front, we're not expecting any rain chance. In fact, with not much moisture to work with either. Big East Coast storms moving out, but you can see we had high pressure moving in, and then we've got a decent little area of low pressure middle part of next week. So that's going to be the next chance of rain. It'll start pretty slight right around Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. And then we'll probably get a renewed chance as we get into Easter weekend. It doesn't look like it's going to be a washout. This here is going to be the 17th. So this will be, of course, the Thursday before Good Friday, heading into the holiday weekend. 14-day forecast. I always want to say a 7-day forecast. We do that first, but at KENS 5, we give you 14. Like I've always said, if we have this information, why not give it to you? Give you a look at what it's going to look like. And it's a good precursor to, of course, Easter. Now, this forecast could change a bunch between now and then. But right now, there is a slight chance on Good Friday, 30% Saturday, 20% chance on Easter Sunday. Hey, in the meantime, a chilly morning tomorrow, 51 then to 85, and a warming trend to 90 on Thursday before that weak front takes us to the mid-80s. But then we're right back up to a pretty warm weekend. Highs near 90 Saturday and Sunday, the 12th and 13th. Nate Ryan on a Tuesday night.